Thanks for tuning in, and happy Saturday and Halloween. Today is October 31st, and on this post we're going to be talking about Yearn Finance YFIUSD. If I'm currently bullish, bearish, and what my short-term price prediction is on this market, according to what I'm seeing in the charts. Before we begin today, please do read my disclaimer below. As not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice. I cannot tell the future. And if you're simply looking for someone to tell you the future, I am not your guy. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market for us to get better on technical analysis. And you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. Now, if you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 3 free stocks upon successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, which is $100 USD. And I will also receive bonus stocks upon a successful sign up. Now, if you guys do have any questions or comments, please only leave them in the comment section below, as I will not get to all the messages in my inbox. If you guys are watching this on TradingView, do follow me. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe, as I will keep you updated on my latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. Now, let's begin and take a look at what the market as a whole is doing, because to me that is very important and affects altcoins in general. So let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is still trending up, which in general is not the best time to trade altcoins, because the best case scenario for when Bitcoin dominance is trending up is that altcoins are increasing by less of a proportion than Bitcoin, which is exactly what we're seeing right now. Bitcoin dominance is trending up, and it's up by about 0.3%. Bitcoin is up 2%, but total altcoin market cap is only up by 1%. So that is the best case scenario, is that the increase in total altcoins is trailing the increase in Bitcoin. Now, there is a chance that Bitcoin dominance may be moving down, maybe trending down, if this is true. If you guys switch over to the monthly chart for Bitcoin dominance, you guys can see that the price action is actually right below the 21 simple moving average and the 50 simple moving average. If that gets rejected there, then it may be a better time to trade altcoins if Bitcoin dominance would start having a downtrend again on the major time frames. Now, the other thing I'm also keeping an eye out on is Bitcoin itself. On the monthly chart, Bitcoin has actually formed a ascending triangle, and it looks like it could break out. It has the top resistance would be about 14K. If Bitcoin starts breaking 14K, I would expect Bitcoin dominance to continue trending up. And if Bitcoin increases and has a pretty big move, then total altcoin market cap may be trailing that big move, and that could benefit the altcoins. So that is a possible scenario. Another thing to also keep an eye out on is that on the total altcoin market cap chart, Total 2, weekly price action is still above the weekly 21 simple moving average. Now, that is very important to me, because that represents market, the total altcoin market cap as a whole. Okay, so as long as we are still above that weekly 21 simple moving average, I would still consider us to be in an uptrend, even though that pullback was quite significant for the past 2 months. So these are some of the points to keep in mind before diving into any altcoin in general, in my opinion. And specifically for this post, it'll be for Wi-Fi. Now, the bullish case scenario, to me, would be if Bitcoin dominance trends down. That would be a pretty good signal to hold altcoins again. Or if Bitcoin actually increases or breaks out of that ascending triangle and Bitcoin dominance trends up, but the total altcoin market cap trails the increase in Bitcoin, which I would expect to be pretty big if it does break out at 14K. So those are some of the things to keep an eye out on, and the possible bullish case scenarios, in my opinion. You guys let me know what you think. Now, on the bearish case scenario, is if Bitcoin dominance continues trending up, but Bitcoin gets rejected at 14K, and that would mean that altcoin market cap is actually going down by more than the proportion of Bitcoin. That would drive this price action down even more, and the next levels of support for Wi-Fi, according to this chart right here, would be about 9,700. That is where you can see that there was previous resistance and support on these candles right here from the past trading history. And then the next levels of support below 9,700 would be about 8,400, 5,800, 4,800, and about 3,400. So these are some of the levels of support that I would refer to for a possible bounce in YFIUSD. Now I'm looking at this on a 3-day chart. Okay, so, and if all of those levels of support are broken, I would expect price action to continue falling, obviously. And we don't really have any past trading history to actually look for possible bounces. So it could just be anyone's best guess. But if you guys can see that on the 3-day chart, we actually had a head and shoulders pattern right here. And the measured target of that breakdown, which we had broken down from this head and shoulders pattern, would be off the charts. It would be about, it goes all the way down to about even 100. So it's way off the charts. Do I think it could get there? I mean, theoretically, yes. If we see a breakdown of a pattern, yes, it could theoretically get there. But we're really going to have to see what the price action does at each of these support levels and see how big the bounce is, the overall market condition based on what I just said on Bitcoin dominance, and total altcoin market too. So this concludes my short estimate of what Wi-Fi could be doing and some of the things I'll be keeping an eye out on. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. Please give me a thumbs up if you guys did. And I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And I'll see you guys next time.